I have a crypto warning right now. Yesterday, XRP, we predicted it to the second of the pump just because of proper information directly from the White House press room sent to me via my friends. I gave you the pump. It was absolutely spot on to the second. I even recorded a video to document the event so you can go back and check me. But I'm going to warn everyone now of some bad actors, and this makes me concerned about where we go today. It involves XRP, it involves Microcloud, it involves GameStop. What am I talking about? Well, overnight there's been lots of moves. Last night, let me come back to the XRP screen. Last night we covered the Coinbase earnings. It's good earnings. We said it'd be good earnings. We said it would be, it did. We said XRP would go up, it did. Great, everything was brilliant. However, they said some things that would alarm me. And Robinhood did the same thing. They talked about this predictive service. Robinhood started doing it where you can bet on, and it basically is gambling, betting on the outcome of the election, using it to predict events. It's not predicting events. Let's say what it is. It's gambling. Crypto is now being used for gambling, and they're promoting it. Last night we interviewed a guest on the show, and he said he didn't like to hear that when Robinhood said that. We heard it on Coinbase as well, and it was Saab, actually one of our guests, and he said to me a very good point. Everyone wants to stay ahead of the curve. Everybody wants to be doing something that's the new thing. Remember NFTs, what a lot of nonsense that was. OpenSea, one of the biggest scams ever. Unbelievable. Crypto could be good. Crypto is good. It's the people that are bad, the greedy, liars, manipulators, so on and so forth. And I'm going to put a real big warning out here today, and all of these companies are related to it. I've just done, and I'm not going to go on about it too much, a big story about Microcloud hologram. This morning I woke up, this video was trending, a video I made a year ago was trending on my channel, and I thought, why is that happening? Why am I getting all these views on an out-of-date video that has nothing to do with what's happening today with Microcloud? And then I went onto my social media and looked on X, and I noticed that people in Saudi Arabia were promoting it. And here we go again. Manipulation. I opened up the phone line this morning, asked them to call in. No one called in. No one ever wants to put their name and their face like I do and record themselves like I do to statements like that. So what happened was people started using the video to promote Microcloud hologram. It's a scam. And the reason why it's a scam, and I'm mentioning this now in this whole XRP, I'm making this in an XRP video as well. So I'm doing like 3 videos in one, is because, do you know, that really confuses my mind. I don't even know what I'm doing now, but I'll keep going. I think I'll work it out. Shouldn't have said that because now I've confused myself. So this draws a bad light onto crypto at a really key moment. You may remember that we had Donald Trump on his inauguration release one of the worst coins ever. It popped up while he sat at the table. I got that information as well, directly from the table, to friends, to me, that they were selling it at the table. We saw what happened. The Trump coin crashed after they took all the profit, the Trump family, and everybody else lost money. It's one of the worst performing coins ever. Is that the way to start talking about Bitcoin and the fact that you love crypto? I don't think so. It was used in a way where everyone was robbed. Terrible. Now we wake up this morning, we see Microcloud saying they're going to buy 200 million worth of Bitcoin because it's the trend and everyone's excited about Bitcoin. They're not. They haven't got the money for it. They haven't even done their filings for the last 2 or 3 quarters. Absolute nonsense. And I said it would go down this morning, and again, I predicted it, and again, it went down. Right? Now we've got GameStop, the worst stock in the world. Roaring kitty, always selfish, always doing what's good for him, always lying, always acting like a flipping idiot, wrapped in bandages, and people watch idiots. They love it. They think it's great. What do you do? Pump it up. Everyone lost their money apart from him and a few others. Now we're doing it again. Oh, what's GameStop doing? GameStop is going to buy some crypto. Everybody wants to buy crypto all of a sudden. We're talking a lot more now about predictive charts. This is a really, really bad day for crypto. So I'm going to warn everybody right now. You can do what you want, say what you want. I don't care. I'm always making money. I never lose money. 20 trades, 20 wins. But I'm going to tell you, my job is to grow the most honest and the best YouTube channel in the world. We're doubling our rate of growth every month. 98% of you are members, higher than any other channel in the world. One of the biggest YouTubers in the world on finance, Meet Kevin, over 2 million subscribers. Okay, took him 10 years to get to 1 million. We're going to be there in 6, which is half the time. Was being paid $2,500 a time every time he mentioned the word FTX. Biggest scam going. And now his ETF has collapsed. He charges for training programs. All of it is nonsense. All of it is now falling apart. People are realizing the whole bloody thing was nonsense. He tried to run for the governor of California. I think he got 9% of the vote. Absolutely collapsed. He thought because he's a big YouTuber, he could manipulate his way and push his way in. Nonsense. All of it is nonsense. And people are realizing now what is going on. Now, XRP, we like the network. We've always said invest in the network. We said invest in the banks, the institutions, Coinbase. But now it's getting a dirty face. It's getting a dirty face. Be very careful. I told you yesterday it would pump. It did. Did exactly what we said it would do. Could everyone please tap the like button? Everyone's forgotten. I'm putting a really, really important bit of news out here about XRP. Please, please, please tap the like button. Share this out. You've all gone to sleep. There's 240 people watching with 41 likes. That's bloody rubbish. Get involved. This is your money. I'm not going to lose on XRP. I don't pump and dump anything. I just tell you how it is. I share with you the information. You do what you do with it as you want. I just want to help people out. But today is a really, really bad day in this space. All right? Coinbase, XRP, GameStop, everyone is focusing now on predictive charts. It is. It's just gambling. It's a very, very bad day for the crypto space. Robinhood talked about it. They said that's what they want to do. Coinbase said that's what they want to do. You do not want to make, just as Bitcoin and crypto is slowly emerging from the darkness of doing something good to be doing something bad again. Remember why people didn't like it in the first place? Because it was unregulated, decentralized. Nobody wanted XRP because it was going to be regulated. And then you want the government to back it. And then the president decides to bring out the worst coin in history, which only he made money from, and his family and everybody else lost money. And all that happens at the same time as Microcloud saying they're going to buy Bitcoin. I said the stock would go down. I said it would rubbish. I got loads of attacks on my Instagram over this. Because I shared with you this morning the people who are following me on X from Saudi Arabia. I showed you and I'll do it again just so you can see. I don't make this stuff up, right? I don't make this up. This is what happened this morning. This is a big warning for XRP today and Coinbase and everything else involved with crypto. And I just want everyone to know, because all of a sudden I'll get some news about this and then it'll be sell off again and everybody will lose again. I'm just trying to help you. Look at my notifications here this morning. Let me scroll up. Let me find it. Here it is. I'm getting followed now from people in Saudi Arabia. This is where these views of Holo came from this morning. People I don't know following me. If we scroll down here, look at this. I'll show you exactly when it happened. I'm not making this stuff up. New massive run, Holo. They were sharing a video of mine a year ago. Click on this person. Who is this person? It's a person from Saudi Arabia. It might be a wonderful person. I have no idea. Translate bio. There isn't one. Okay. And they were sharing, look at this, hologram, crypto, saying hologram are buying buying Bitcoin and XRP this morning, all cryptocurrencies. They haven't even got the money. This isn't true. People were sharing it. People were talking about it on my videos. Look at this. This is my live 60 minutes. This is where we're live right now. Look at this. A video I made a year ago. Look, February the 16th, 2024. 1 year, 2 days. 2 days. Started to get watched this morning and I checked and people were paying to advertise the bloody thing. Unbelievable. So, big warning this morning. A lot of manipulation going on in the crypto space. Micro hologram. Trying to buy XRP and Bitcoin. Not happening. I said it would go down. It was all a con to short the stock. What's happening? It's getting shorted. It's going down. That was a con. XRP, it's wobbling right now. You had a massive rally. I gave you the information directly from the White House. I had friends telling me what was going on. I told you it would pump. It did pump. I said be careful. When it started to dip a little bit, in fact, I told you last night when to sell it, live on the Coinbase. I said, this is the point, sell it. It dropped. Then someone said to me, should I buy it back at this point? And I said, I'd be careful now if I was you. It's too late to sell. And it went back up again. That was what I was saying. Too late to sell, back up again. And then it went on higher, and now we're wobbling. So all I'm saying, I wish I had some information more than I do. I don't have anyone telling me anything else. I've got nothing else to share with you. All I know is what I've given you about people are manipulating crypto today in a very, very bad way. So micro hologram, buying crypto, they're not. They haven't got any money. They're going bankrupt. It's a short exercise. That's all it is. XRP, it's wobbling. Be very, very careful. Bitcoin has just started to sell off. Be careful. GameStop. Could you possibly be in a more manipulated stock? Roaring Kitty, covered in bandages. What a flipping scammer and liar he is. GameStop are now saying they're investing in Bitcoin and so on and so forth. I gave you this here. Let me give you a bit more of it. After hours movers, GameStop jumps after hours, of course. Prospects of crypto investment. Prospects. Thursday's late night trading activity included a stock price advance in GameStop, while Applied Materials struggling after issue its latest financial guidance. Oh, hello. What we got here?
Wadey donated £5 through a super chat. Can you do Realty Income Corporation? Oh, earnings on 24th February, one of the best monthly div stocks.
I'll look at the date for you in a moment. Thank you very much indeed, and I'll confirm it when I've checked it. US stocks, DJI finished the day session higher. Okay, GameStop, here we go. Up 8% following a CNBC report that the video game retailer is thinking about investing in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The report cited unnamed sources familiar with the matter. Reported unnamed, of course a bloody unnamed, probably Roaring Kitty. I'm not even going to show it anymore. I just want to warn everybody, there's something going on and Bitcoin, crypto is getting a dirty face again. I don't like it. I like the technology. I like it to be open and honest. And right now I'm seeing nothing good. SoundHound this morning, a big AI play. SoundHound this morning had a big slap in the face. Nvidia exited their trade. So their investment in the company. So be very, very careful on that one. All right, so I'm going to end this up with my warning on Coinbase, GameStop, XRP, Bitcoin, Microcloud, the whole thing, as my portfolio is still green, all-time highs again. Be careful. Be careful, be careful. I do not like to see crypto being abused in this way. I wish I could tell you where XRP was going next. I don't know. I don't like it though. I wouldn't be in it. I would have taken my profit, as I have advised last night. Take your profit, at least take your seed money out. I don't know what comes next. You don't need to gamble. I started with $5,000. I've now got an all-time high, $155,514. Basically in cash. If you add all my money together, my Roth IRA, the margin, I've got $270,000. I don't short stocks, I don't own crypto, I don't do options. It's very easy to make money. The hard part is to keep it. Please, please be careful. There's my warning. I didn't like hearing about predictive charts, making, gamifying and gambling with crypto. This is not the way forward. We do not want to be doing this just to be like the edge of the curve, just to be first, just to be doing what everybody else thinks they should be doing. Rubbish. I made the declaration and the promise there would be no AI on my show. This is real. This is live. I don't need the latest technology. I don't need the latest thing. Keep it real, keep it honest. That's why we've got so many members. That's why our YouTube channel is exploding. People like me, Kevin, now are getting caught out. He's losing his ETF. Got his 2 planes. He won't be long before he loses those as well. People are realizing that this whole thing is nonsense. 63,000, look at that, rolling around onto 64,000 by Monday. I wouldn't be surprised. It's very, very exciting at times indeed. There you go. There's my warning to everybody today with Coinbase XRP. Please be very careful. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description. I will post you the prediction videos the moment I made them. You can verify. I never take anything down. I never edit anything. I tell you it live. I share it live. I do it in real time. Please be careful. I wouldn't be surprised if we get a big drop. I don't know. I've not got enough information to say that, but I got a hunch we're going to get a big drop. This is not looking good for XRP crypto right now. I don't like it. Today, crypto gets a dirty face and a big slap on Love Day. Click above my head, down below in the description. Over here, I shall put the prediction video from last night. And down here, I shall put the love event tonight. We've got a live request. You can be live on the show, request live songs in our love event. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Oh, hang on a minute.
Slowly with Sledge donated €2 through a super chat. How Kitty scammed you. Although he won quite a lot.
I'm glad that came in right at the end. This is a non-member, so this is someone just trying to troll my channel. How did Roaring Kitty scam you? That's what I'm translating it to mean. How Kitty scammed you. I thought he won quite a lot. Okay, let me explain that. I was going to finish there, but I will explain that. That is from someone who's trying to troll the channel. So let's please explain what that is. How did Roaring Kitty scam me? He didn't scam me. He scammed you. Didn't scam me. 20 trades, 20 wins, always hitting all-time highs. I'm making money all the time. Didn't scam me. I tried to protect you, though. Now you're saying, how did he... So he didn't scam me. So let me say... he scammed you. How did he scam you? I thought he won quite a lot. He did. Are you best mates with Roaring Kitty now? Are you investing in Roaring Kitty? Are you his mum, his dad, best mate? Do you want Roaring Kitty to win at your expense? If so, then congratulations, you got what you wanted. Not really sure what the point here is. Roaring Kitty manipulated everyone. He broke all the SEC rules, all the regulations to make money for himself. He got struck off as being a financial advisor. He was using inside information. He was breaking all the rules. And he went online when everybody during COVID was desperate to make money, stuffed it to everybody, pumped up a stock that had no value. He and a few other people made all the money, and most people lost money. Now, before you go, no, he didn't. My mate made some money. My mate down the pub made some money. 99% of the people who lost money, you will never hear about. They're watching this show right now, screaming at the channel, going, I lost money. But no one knows about me because I haven't got a big social presence. I haven't got a big YouTube channel. I'm not able to tell anybody. Roaring Kitty stuffed it to everyone. He didn't scam me. I've not been scammed by anybody. Never been scammed, never will be scammed. Roaring Kitty did not scam me. He scammed you. Just like when Donald Trump brought out the Trump coin and Melania. They scammed you as well. But they didn't technically. It's your fault. You bought it. They told you not to buy it. In their social media post, they said, do not buy this. This is not financial advice. No one cared. They bought it anyway. And then they sold it and thought, well, we did tell everybody. There you go. So to answer your question, did Roaring Kitty, how did Roaring Kitty scam me? He didn't. I couldn't care less what Roaring Kitty does. He's a bloody idiot. He's a liar, he's a cheat, he's a bloody idiot. I'm not interested in what he does, but I do care about my members. He scammed you. He didn't scam me. Right, I need to end this video. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here. Until next time, take care. Oh, over here is the XRP prediction video. I got it right to the second, and I put my name in the sand. And down here, look at the subscribers today. We're exploding. Down here, I shall put the event tonight, the love event, where you can have a live request for your loved one tonight. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.